Ombigambo bye Mushabire Akibishopu Stephen Kazimba Mugalo yagira ngo abana nibetenga obusingye omukura kwabo ahubwo Eihanga lya nyenshakare.
Let us ensure there is peace. They can say, instead of fighting. Let us promote love instead of hatred.
Ugu yanjira higa batine kwicizangana kubetera mu kifuba bakasasirana ekirareteho obusingye omu Eihanga.
All the people, please, if you have your conflict, let there be reconciliation. Let there be forgiveness.
National Coordinator mu office y'enganzi Eihanga John Bosco Sentamu yasiime kanisa ya Uganda abokufa amagara g'empungi abokw'abantu aba nibije batine kintu kyona.
We thank so much the Church of Uganda and all the congregants of Church of Uganda for this contribution towards the lives of refugees. It really means a lot. For us who have been working with refugees, any donation, however small, however big, means a lot. Because these are people who come totally with nothing. They come with holistic needs.
Sekamadu Ali omwahampunji yashobora kuba atunjira obusingye bwanyuma y'okureetwa na Kivare aho yatushobora ngo batunga ekyokurya n'oburaro.
Tunapata mai tunakoga. Tandiske kwetu tulikuwa tuna maisha ya kukimbia. Tunasema please umoja Rigire mabezeze hatuya kuwa satisfied na hiyo tulipoteza kila kitu. Tulifika hapa jinsi mnakuwa tunasimama.
Obwahati na Kivare Settlement Camp erimu empungi eziri kwingana emitwaro na 7,300. Amakuru agagashaka Ian akankwasa aha bwa Tayari West.